Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant, the ultimate automotive protection. In the ever-evolving world of automotive detailing and paint protection, Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant has emerged as a game-changer. This revolutionary product combines the benefits of traditional wax and ceramic coatings, offering a versatile and effective solution for preserving the beauty and integrity of your vehicle's paintwork. In this video, we'll explore what Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant is, how it works, and why it has gained such popularity among car enthusiasts and professionals alike. So before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. What is Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant? Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant is a state-of-the-art product designed to protect and enhance the appearance of your vehicle's paint. It belongs to the family of ceramic coatings, which are renowned for their exceptional durability and hydrophobic properties. However, what sets Ceramic Boost apart is its hybrid nature, which means it combines the best of both worlds, traditional car wax and modern ceramic coatings. This hybrid sealant is formulated with advanced chemistry that bonds with the surface of your car's paint, creating a protective layer that is resistant to environmental contaminants, UV rays, and water. It forms a hydrophobic barrier that not only repels water, but also provides a deep glossy shine that rivals the finish achieved by traditional carnauba wax. 2. How does Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant work? The key to Ceramic Boost effectiveness lies in its chemical composition. Unlike traditional car wax, which sits on the surface and offers limited protection, Ceramic Boost forms a covalent bond with the paint's clear coat. This bond ensures a long-lasting and durable shield against a wide range of environmental hazards, including acid rain, bird droppings, tree sap, and UV radiation. One of the standout features of Ceramic Boost is its hydrophobic nature. When applied to the paint, it creates a super smooth surface that repels water and prevents contaminants from adhering. This makes washing your car a breeze, as dirt and grime are less likely to stick to the surface. Moreover, the hydrophobic properties ensure that water beads up and rolls off the paint, leaving behind a stunning, streak-free finish. 3. Why choose Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant? Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant offers a range of advantages that make it a top choice for automotive enthusiasts and professionals. Durability. Unlike traditional waxes that may need reapplication every few weeks, Ceramic Boost can last for months or even years with proper maintenance. This longevity ensures that your car remains protected and looking its best for an extended period. Enhanced gloss. Ceramic Boost leaves behind a deep, glossy finish that enhances your vehicle's appearance. The shine it provides is often compared to the wet look of a freshly waxed car. Protection. The protective barrier created by Ceramic Boost shields your paint from UV rays, oxidation, and chemical contaminants. This protection not only preserves the color and finish of your paint, but also maintains its resale value. Easy maintenance. Thanks to its hydrophobic properties, Ceramic Boost makes routine cleaning a breeze. Water, dirt, and grime slide off the surface, reducing the effort required to keep your car looking spotless. Versatility. Ceramic Boost can be used on various surfaces, including paint, glass, and wheels. This versatility allows you to protect your entire vehicle with a single product. Cost-effective. While the initial application of Ceramic Boost may cost more than traditional wax, its long-lasting nature means you'll save money in the long run by reducing the frequency of reapplications and the need for expensive detailing services. 4. How to apply Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant? Applying Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant requires careful preparation and technique. Here are the general steps involved in the application process. Preparation. Begin by thoroughly washing and decontaminating your vehicle's paint. This ensures that the surface is clean and free of contaminants that could interfere with the bonding process. Application. Apply Ceramic Boost in a cool, shaded area. Using a clean microfiber applicator pad or towel, spread the product evenly over the paint in small sections. Allow it to cure for the recommended time, typically 1 to 2 minutes. Buffing. After the curing period, use a separate clean and dry microfiber towel to buff off any excess product and reveal the glossy finish. Maintenance. To maintain the protective qualities of Ceramic Boost, wash your car regularly with a fade-neutral car wash soap and use a ceramic booster spray periodically to refresh the hydrophobic properties. In conclusion, Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant is a groundbreaking product that offers the perfect blend of protection, shine, and durability for your vehicle's paint. Its hybrid nature combines the best attributes of traditional wax and modern ceramic coatings, making it a preferred choice for those seeking long-lasting, low-maintenance paint protection. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast looking to showcase your pride and joy or a professional detailer aiming to provide the best service to your clients, Ceramic Boost Hybrid Sealant is a must-have in your detailing arsenal. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.